In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a hood support on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a small pick, we're going to get under the clip right here, pop it up. Once the clip is popped up, pull the rod off of the pin. Once you pull this rod off, the other strut will not be able to hold the hood and it will fall on you. Be sure to keep a hand on it, have somebody else, or put a pull up. Repeat the same process on the bottom. Remove the hood support. Grab the new support rod. Line it up on the ball and pop it on. Do the same thing on the top and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.